Finding replacement visors for a 2000 through 2005 Buick LeSabre has been a bear of a challenge. If only these were a universal part. Come on, manufacturers, why are you making proprietary visors? The visors should be the same amongst the same vehicle brand, right? I've tried to fit Buick LeSabre visors, Buick LaCrosse, Buick Century, but they don't fit because of this mounting base. That's the part that changes. But there is some good news. This visor is from a 2000 through 2005 Pontiac Bonneville. It has the same base as a 2000 through 2005 Buick LeSabre. When you find them at the salvage yard, you're gonna find them with this type of secondary base. This is to hold this cover. You can use the base that's already on the vehicle, or if you're really lucky, you're gonna find one with this type of base. And if you find this type of base, get it. And in my opinion, this cover right here, don't even bother getting it. Use it as a frisbee. And look at the condition of our Buick LeSabre visors. The fabric is in really good condition. The rest, to remove, you're gonna remove a T20 right here and 3 T20s right here. I've already removed most of them. You're gonna look for this connector, use a pick, open it up, pull, and then get your new one on there. Simple as that. And here we have Pontiac Bonneville visors on a Buick LeSabre. And they fit. Well, not so much as this part right here, since the original was curved. But it's fine. After deep steam cleaning, we found out that this one was okay of a shape. The passenger side looks really good. Yeah. Only thing is, I said that this secondary base was really good. But that's not correct. This sucks, man. It seems all flimsy. So I'm gonna go ahead and change to this type of base. That's what's on this side, and this side is really firm. See, it doesn't even move. This one, you barely jiggle it, and it wants to come off from the roof. Look at that. Nah. Stick with this base. So there you go, you guys. Pontiac Bonneville visors on a Buick LeSabre. Keep your LeSabre up and running. Have a good day.